almost 2 months. Ah, dear. Anyway, here we are. We've gotten seeding started after 2 pretty big spring blizzards. Quite a bit of rain here too. Been stopped for the last couple of days. Nick and Ivan have both been banging away at it here with both seeders, the drill and the air seeder. We've finished up some of the stuff here around home and are now heading west with this whole parade of farm equipment. Ivan in the front, Amanda and Maya in the middle, and Sophia and I are bringing an auger. Right, Sophia? Yeah. So I guess we're gonna cross the creek here. I don't know how that's gonna go with my auger. Hopefully it doesn't wash downstream.
It won't.
It won't? I don't know. I'm pretty worried about it.
Just watch Papa go for it.
Okay. I'm pretty afraid. It's pretty mucky there on the west side where the road's all washed out.
They watch Mommy go for it.
Okay, we'll see. Crazy old creek, still just a roaring. It's down a bit from what it was, but it's still pretty
Mommy
crazy.
go for it.
Sure wouldn't cross with the blazer.
Let's watch her go for it.
Okay, let's see what happens. Well, Mommy made it, no problem.
So we ran.
I hope we can. I'm pretty worried.
Look at us. Look, it's close. So close. Look, it's close.
I'm gonna be rinsing the auger. Still coming? Oh, it's so muddy. What a mess. What
Look
a
how
mess.
close Papa is.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty mucky.
The auger still on? Okay. Phew. A little bit worried. Okay. Away we go.
Yep.
Bring it back here in a few minutes when there's something riveting to report. Look at that creek.
Yeah.
That was dry last fall. Dry.
Yep.
Cows walked across it. Not even a puddle. It's on.
Okay. So this is Mama driving.
Your finger's not over the thing, is it?
No.
Okay.
This is Mommy.
And there's your house.
This is our house. Lady's car seat.
Is the auger behind us?
Is the auger behind us? Yeah.
Oh, good.
Is the field?
That one's seeded. That's where Papa and Mama put some oats.
Yep.
Yep.
I see some red stuff right there, Mama.
Yeah, it's some fertilizer.
Fertilizer isn't good for you.
No, you shouldn't eat that, and you shouldn't get it in your eye either. That's bad.
Even you can't smell it.
No. Not
Yeah.
good.
Nope. Look, the clouds.
Okay, say we'll bring you back in a minute.
We will bring you back in a minute.
Press the red button.
Okay.
Turned. Taking the great big detour since the correction lines tore up. The RM decided to put some culverts in March, and then the huge snowpack we had melted and the creek went nuts. Then we got 2 more great big blizzards a week apart there at the end of April, plus all the rain. So I think that's going to be ripped up probably until August or September. So yeah, it's a pretty big detour here now to go over to Mom and Dad's. Long way around, going south instead of going north and then west, but it is what it is. Makes a long, slow drive that much longer. The detour also takes us 2 miles down number 8 highway. It's nerve-wracking. So many cars, hey? Yeah, we got passed a couple times. Oh well. Better than number 13. Number 13 has no shoulders. So that's pretty crummy when you have to run equipment on that busted up pavement. The highway. Yay. Water still there? Yeah, still there. Made it over to Dad's house, Grandpa Henry's, and the sun's shining over here. Apparently it's not nearly as wet either, so that's some good news. Ooh. Yay, right, Sophia? What a long drive. Long. Here we are back at the cattle ranch here with the cow having a little bit of trouble. Turns out Devlin is trying to have one backwards. So Ivan and Amanda are just gloving up here. Talked to Grandpa Henry. He said he's pulled lots of them backwards, so I'm gonna see what happens here.
Oh, your nails in the gloves.
There we go.
Just grab this for now. So I can get the other leg. Not big. That's a beautiful thing, eh?
Yep. Right now.
Okay.
Open up.
Excuse me, Roxanne.
Yep.
Here. Yeah. Backwards and down. Gonna be a lot of pull here.
Maybe a little bit.
Sure.
Oh my God.
I got to use the puller.
I guess it's in there, isn't it?
You feel his tail?
There we go. Oh, he's not in my face. Whoa. Come in here, Amanda, if you want.
You there, buddy?
Okay, bud.
He is fancy.
Breathing. Come on.
You gotta sit up.
Blinking.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna hang him up.
Oh boy.
It's a heifer calf. How big do you think that is? 80? 90?
Probably like 90.
you got the hocks through it, it came pretty easy. Surprised. Not big a deal.
I actually thought it was gonna be worse.
Well, I thought you'd have to turn it or something.
Yeah, another.
Honestly, couldn't remember.
No.
If you had to turn the tail up to twist them to get it out backwards or not.
Thank God for Dad.
Yeah, thanks, Grandpa Henry. Again.
Hi, kitty. I will sit down here. Hi. Watching.
Hi, kitty. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hey. Hey.
Yes, everything's going really good, so I'll bring you back here in a bit when I come back out. We're just out here tonight feeding a couple bales before everything gets busy in the morning. Me and Amanda and the kids. They all think they're starving. They're not. They're all after the dog. Oh, Larry. Hi. It's kind of dark, but look at them all.
I might fall down. I might kill them.
Hi, guys. Are you wondering what the heck? Cute.
Here's a
Flash is on. Uh-oh, there's 8. Look at all our friends. Hi, Tri-Brows. Look at all of them. So many friends. apples right behind you, like right. Oh! Christ.
What a horrible spot.
My heart is beeping because I want to paint.
It works good.
Touch the water. It's darker.